Hello, everyone. Welcome to the final stage of the writing process. So far, you have done the first draft that was worth 10 points simply just for completing it and submitting it in no red ink. You would have seen my breakdown of the actual grades for each category. However, since it was a rough draft, those points don't get recorded, just the 10 points for completing it. Then you had the second draft, and the second draft is due actually today. I'm recording this video on the 23rd by midnight, and that's worth 10 points. And then finally, starting tomorrow, which is Friday, you guys are going to be submitting the final copy through Blackboard and Safe Assign, which is our school district's plagiarism checker. So I'm going to show you a couple ways how to publish your essay. So the first thing I'm going to show you, and thank you so much to the student who allowed me to use their essay as an example. This is the screen you would kind of see. I just showed you a snippet of the no red ink screen to protect the student's name and identity. I did not show her name or his name. So this is just a quick little, preview. You're going to actually copy and paste the essay from No Red Ink into a Google Doc. So that's what you see here. Okay, so right now it's not formatted correctly. So if you leave it at this, that is not MLA final copy format. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing, if you notice, I opened a new document. It says untitled. So I'm going to have to title that. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to put my last name. And you can either call it social injustice essay or argumentative. Okay. Then once you do that, I'm going to show you how to format this into MLA. So the first thing, she already has it double spaced and it's already looks like well, you know what? It's 13.5. Let's change that to 12. Times or Arial font. Let's do Arial. 12-point font. The next thing we need to add our heading. So my cursor's up here. I'm going to left align it. So see right here, left and up here. And I'm going to type my first and last name. You're going to hit enter. And if this does not automatically go to double space, let me show you how to do that. So if you go up to this button, click on that and do double. So actually, technically, mine wasn't already double. Then you're going to hit enter and you're going to type in the teacher's name. And you're going to type in the class, academic English 1, period 1, or whatever period you are, and then the date. Now, some teachers do the date differently. I am old school MLA. MLA stands for Modern Language Association. So I do the day and the month and then the year. Then you hit enter one more time, and that is where the title goes. So right now, if you look, this is too much space. There's too much going on there. So we actually need to back up, and now it's an appropriate space. So everything, the entire essay is double space, not triple, not quadruple, not single. The whole entire essay is double space. Her title is perfect. It's not the name of the novel, and it doesn't say social injustice essay. So make sure your titles are creative. They are not the titles of the novels, and they don't just say core essay or argumentative essay. And also, do not format this title. Leave it as is. The next thing I'm going to do is indent the first line of each paragraph. I'm going to use the tab button on your keyboard. Here's her next paragraph. Hit tab, and then keep continuing until you get down to the conclusion. So far, looks great. Ooh, I like this. She added a startling statistic as one of her hook strategies. I'm reeled in. I'm really excited. Can't wait to read these, guys. So, up here in the right hand corner is something called pagination. In MLA format, every essay needs to have a page number with the last name of the author of the essay. So, you're going to go up here to insert. So, you see my little red circle, insert. You're going to go down here to where it says page number. You're going to click on the first option right here and then put your cursor in front of the one and type your last name and hit space. You don't have to manually type in the number. If I scroll down, I'm just going to make my essay more pages. See how it automatically populated what to? I didn't do that. It automatically did that for me. So now it looks like she's ready to go. So you're going to go up here to File. This is important. You're going to hit Download, go to PDF. So here, so it's File, Download, PDF. Click that. Oops, I got to go back in, download. Oh, it worked. And then in Blackboard, okay, so this is our remote learning tab, which is also your landing page for my class. You're going to scroll all the way down to where you see Submit Argumentative Core Essay. You're going to click on that. Okay, it's 45 points. You can view the rubric. However, the rubric was also linked on the revisions document. And then you are going to drag it in your PDF, downloaded PDF, into Browse My Computer. Okay. Then you're going to check this box right here. I agree to submit my paper to the Global Reference Database. So click that. So once you check that box to agree to submit your paper to the Global Reference Database, and then pretty much that's our plagiarism checker. Then you can click down at the bottom is the submit button. So once you are ready, you can click submit. Now, I think you only, and I shouldn't say think, I know you only have 3 chances to submit. So let's say you submit it and then you go back and figure out that you forgot to add your works cited page. Um, so you're going to have to go back in and do that. So I'm going to show you another video also on how to do the works cited. But yeah, so let's say you forgot to add it and you want to go back and resubmit. You may do that up to 3 times. After the third, you have to email me and say, oops, I still messed up. Can I please resubmit? And I'll have to open one up, another slot up for you. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you get those done by Monday, turned in. You have the weekend to kind of revise last minute corrections made. And then at really from your second draft, you should almost be ready to go for the final copy. All you're doing is reformatting it. So you're just like making a couple modifications and maybe adding your works cited page, which you should have already started to do since that was one of the things to do for this week for revisions. All right, guys, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Take care.